feeling so smooth, like a warm sunny day on a Sunday afternoon. Let's jump in the ride, let's drive, let's take a cruise. And we're cruising together along the coast and drop the roof, hit the three-wheel motion. 64 Chevy is how we be floating. Eyes on the road so you know we stay focused. Conversing on a level of two spiritual poets. Your love is vivid, we're living, we're trying to get it. Always giving you love and time, that's why we're winning. We're intertwined like the signs of the west side. Your west pride will help to ease the pain and live your best life. Everything I got, I'ma give to you. All you gotta do is just stay true. My baby from the east, I'm from the west.
Ready to take your trading to the next level? Looking for a trusted trading partner that can help you unlock your full potential? Look no further. Introducing OspreyFX, your ultimate trading partner. With years of experience in the industry, OspreyFX has become a trusted name in Forex trading and beyond. At OspreyFX, we believe in providing you with a diverse range of trading instruments. Whether you're interested in Forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or indices, we've got them all. We understand that successful trading requires the right tools and resources. That's why OspreyFX offers a suite of advanced trading tools, including technical analysis indicators, real-time market data, and expert analysis. In the fast-paced world of trading, every second counts. With OspreyFX's lightning-fast execution and competitive spreads, you can seize opportunities when they arise. Our dedicated customer support team is available 24/7 to assist you. We believe in providing exceptional service to our clients because your success is our top priority. So, how can you get started with OspreyFX? It's simple. So, how can you get started with OspreyFX? It's simple. Click the link below to visit our website and create your secure trading account. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to start trading. We offer a range of convenient deposit options. Explore our user-friendly trading platform, access the tools and resources you need, and begin trading in the markets of your choice. Remember, our customer support team is always here to assist you if you have any questions or need guidance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to trade with a trusted partner in the industry. OspreyFX is committed to helping you achieve your trading goals. Once your account is set up, deposit funds to start trading. We offer a range of convenient deposit options. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future today. Click the link below and sign up with OspreyFX. Your journey towards financial success begins now. Join OspreyFX and experience the difference. Want to learn more about OspreyFX? Visit our blog site to read in-depth articles, tips, and insights about the world of trading. Our link will be located in the description below this video. Stay informed and make informed decisions with OspreyFX.